Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome to another episode of Everyday Ish. Que lo que? So this is the final video of the install. This is the final product. Quick shout out to my boy KO for the beat drop. And as we get started, you're gonna see the very low section of the house, where most of the custom work came from, and the part of the house that took the most work to do, because there was a lot of custom work that had to be done with the dormers. As you see there, two different dormers, one very odd shape, so literally had to custom make every piece of metal, bend it, warp it, make it sure that it fits, so there's no leakage going down the road. But there is no active PV, active panels in the front of the house, with the exception right above the garage. As you see the color disorientation right there a little bit. But the only reason that there wasn't able to add active panels there is because of all that custom work. There's a lot of corners that there's metal would be touching the electrical wires, and that no. So with that being said, this is probably one of the only great shots that you're gonna see, with a little color disorientation on a nice sunny day of what's active and what's not active. Whatever you see there that has some kind of bluish purplish tint, those are what generate the solar energy. As you can see some of it in the back as well. They're always going to be staggered, but as you see, they're not going to be close to any structure or corners because of the metal work there. Giving myself a quick shout out there so you guys can see that I am a real person. But this is one of the only downfalls that prevented me from getting a lot more active PV panels compared to the original planning and engineering blueprints, because of in the Google Maps they weren't able, well, Google Earth, they weren't able to see that that had that quick dormer or different levels in the back side of the house. And I know a lot of you guys may be wondering about the water leakage. Do I have any water, anything like that? When I recorded this right now, I already have 2 months with the solar roof, and I've had maybe 1 or 2 leaks, and it came right from that chimney area. As you see at the bottom base of it, there's a metal that they had a chisel into the brickwork. So if it wasn't siliconed correctly, or they just missed a spot, then water will eventually find the less resistant. But as you see here, a quick pan out, you see always on the corner where the edge is gonna about to start, or where they had a custom make and bend some metal, there's always going to be a section of PVs that could have fit there, but they won't put it there because of the metal touching the wires that are under the active PV solar panels. As I pan back around to this front side of the house, above the garage, you have another section that they didn't see. You see there the skylight, there's no active PV around there. Soil pipes, none of that is gonna have some active panels. You see as I start making my way down that there's some equipment left over there, and with that my drone had a little hard time getting a real close image video of the 3 battery backup Tesla power walls that I purchased with the whole project. I decided to put them inside of the garage so my man cave can remain my man cave. But as you see in there, the garage is under construction. I remodeled it. I have future content on that. It became my home gym, and you see as close as possible 3 power walls, 1 to the left and 2 to the right. And that basically it's away from harm's way, so even with the equipment that I have in there, I'm not able to hit it by accident or anything like that. But the next video and the next content that I will have out for you guys will be a breakdown comparison of how my first 2 months went with this project. Thank you guys. Appreciate the love. Comment, like, subscribe. appreciate the content.